Well, I feel very strongly that everybody in Wales has a right to a Welsh language service, particularly from public services. It's obviously more of a challenge in an area like Flintshire, but I really appreciate the people who are going to the effort to learn Welsh, and I really hope that they're getting support from their line managers and from higher up in their workplaces. I do feel that things are moving on, and at the moment there's a new project with the Assembly where they have given a lot of thought into the best way to create a bilingual workforce. It's called Cymraeg Gwaith, Work Welsh, and if you contact the Welsh language, the Work Welsh at learnwelsh.cymru. Sorry, yes, workwelsh at learnwelsh.cymru. They will help you and support you. There are 3 different strands. One is online courses for beginners. There are also residential courses, and there are courses where people can go for blocks to learn work-based Welsh. But also, we really recommend that people go to weekly classes, as they do now, and the more people who can learn Welsh, the more we can have a bilingual workforce, which is very important, in my opinion.